Hi guys, welcome back to Jibril Enterprise. In today's video, we will take you through the complete process of Piper Guineense production, from propagation to successful yield establishment, using proven, farmer-friendly techniques that deliver high success rates and better yield. Many people try to grow Piper Guineense from seeds, but the truth is, these are very slow and difficult to germinate. In most cases, they don't give reliable results. That is why the best and most effective method is using stem cuttings, which grow faster and more successful. Piper Guineense, commonly known as Uziza in Nigerian language, or West African black pepper, is a highly valued spice crop across Africa, praised for its distinctive aroma, medicinal benefits, and strong market demand. If you want healthy black pepper vines for commercial farming or backyard gardening, this simple method will help you achieve high survival rates and faster production. Let's get started. First, choose a healthy and matured black pepper plant. Use a clean, sharp knife or pruning scissors to cut a stem that is 4 to 6 inches long, of at least 2 to 3 nodes. This should be semi-hard wood, not too soft, not too old. Cut just below a node because roots often develop from the nodes, but can also develop at the cutting point. You can dip the cuttings in rooting hormones, but it is not compulsory. Use well-drained soil. A good mixture of topsoil, river sand, compost, or manure is okay. Make sure the soil is loose and not waterlogged. Black pepper does not like soggy soil. After this stage, you can plant them direct into your nursery bags, but this method requires dipping them into a rooting hormones for easy establishment. To achieve high survival rates and fast production, natural pre-sprouting method is required. This is done by digging a shallow hole of about 3 to 4 centimeters into the soil and the shade, not direct sunlight. Carefully spread your black pepper cuttings horizontally in the hole as shown. Cover them with partial soil and mulch them uniformly. Water regularly, but do not flood the soil. Within 2 to 4 weeks, you will start seeing new leaves. This confirms a successful rooting, and you can transfer them to your individual nursery bags. After 4 to 6 weeks, once the roots are strong, you can transplant them to the field or bigger nursery bags. Ensure the field or your bigger nursery bags has a support structure because black pepper is a climbing vine. Always propagate during the rainy season for better success. Please maintain moderate soil moisture and early staking. At Jibril Enterprise, we supply healthy disease-free cuttings of black pepper, suitable for commercial farmers and backyard growers. Our cuttings are carefully selected from strong mother plants and has high survival rate. They are fast establishing and vigorous, suitable for tropical cultivation. We ship worldwide, safely packaged to maintain freshness and viability. Follow Jibril Enterprise for more quality planting materials and farming tips. Thank you. Bye bye for now.